Yep, exactly. So you were programmed, not chosen, not destined, but programmed. From age 0 to 7, you absorbed everything like a sponge. What's success is, what's normal look like, what you're supposed to do. Then school reinforced it. College reinforced it further, and then corporate America finished the job. And today I'm going to show you how to deprogram yourself from all that and build a life on your terms. Hey, I'm Dustin Neff, your anti-career coach, and I help people break free from corporate America, launch their own business, and replace their salary in 90 to 180 days. And today I'm going to show you how to break free of the programming that has kept you stuck where you're at. So here's what most people don't realize. You weren't trained to think. You were trained to comply. You were trained to sit still, follow instruction, color inside the lines, do what you're told, don't question authority, don't take risk, get in line, wait your turn. The same programming follows you into adulthood. Corporate just swaps out grades for performance reviews, teachers for managers, detention for write-ups, permission slips for PTO requests, report cards for a 3 to 5% raise. The system isn't built for freedom. The system is built for predictability, productivity, and obedience. And you feel that every single day. After coaching hundreds of people, I've learned that they all fall into three categories. So you've got the numb ones, the ones that they're comfortable enough to stay, but miserable enough to fantasize about leaving, and they never take action. You have the ones that are burnt out. They're aware the system is broken, they're cynical, exhausted. They don't know they want out. They know they want out, but they don't know how. And then three, the boiling point ones. This is where I was. This is where you may be. I've had people that reach out, hey, I can't do this for 2 months. I can't take one more day of it, or my body's telling me to leave. These are your future entrepreneurs. These are your future freedom builders. The first step out is breaking your beliefs that a steady job is safety and that promotions equal success. Retirement is the goal. And taking risk only when it's safe. You should be grateful you even have a job. So that's what it's programmed into your head. So you have to ask yourself, who benefits from you believing that? Because it's not you. If you were programmed to be the good employee, the hard worker, the dependable one, the team player, you need a new identity. You need one of a creator, an owner, a builder, a decision maker, one who bets on themselves. Identity drives action. Action creates opportunity, and opportunity creates freedom. This is where everything changes. Here's the roadmap. So choose your business vehicle, whether that's coaching, automated income like vending, consulting, services, online, whatever matches your skill set. Two, validate it quickly. No 6-month plans, no overthinking. Sell first, build second. Replace 1 to 2 months of your salary. Not all of it, just enough to prove to yourself that you can. Number four, reduce your dependency on the job. When your business income matches even a slice of your salary, you stop being afraid. You regain leverage and you start feeling alive again. This is the part no one tells you. You don't earn freedom at age 65. You build it now, you design it now, and you choose it now. Your life doesn't change when corporate gives you permission. It changes the moment you stop asking. If this video hit home and you feel like you're at that boiling point, or you feel like you're waking up to the programming and you're ready to break it, give me a shout, book a call. I'll put the description in the link below. But that's it for this video. Hope to hear from you soon. See you next time.